Summer is here, the sun is shining, or at least sometimes it is in the UK. And you're probably planning to make the most out of soaking up some rays outdoors. It's not always easy to ensure you're going to have something to keep you entertained, safe or connected, however. And Microsoft 365 might not be at the top of your list to solve these problems. However, we're here today to change that mindset. So sit back, slather on the sun cream and relax as we roll those titles. Hello wonderful people, I'm Hannah and I'm part of the Expert Zone UK and I team working on behalf of Microsoft. Today's video is all about top ways you can use your Microsoft 365 applications to keep you entertained, safe and connected during this summer break. We've even broken this video down into chapters, so feel free to skip to the areas you want. Summer is a time in the UK when the days are longer, the temperature's heating up, and we all want to spend more time with the people we love. Well, why not level up your summer entertainment thanks to Microsoft 365? Whether it's finding something new to do on days when you're running low on ideas, or you just want to find a new way to boost that latest hobby, Microsoft 365 has your back to help you achieve more and in less time too.
Chapter 1. Excel your entertainment.
Okay, let's start with making hobbies you may already enjoy just that little bit easier. I'm going to take you back to the late 90s, to my summer holidays. As a kid, when I used to spend a lot of time with my grandparents. My nan is an avid knitter, crocheter and cross-stitcher, and I have a serious jumper collection to prove it. And I loved sitting side by side with her, watching her work and eventually joining in. Problem is that patterns for this hobby can add up, and if it's a brand new hobby, you might not know if you enjoy it enough to put in the monetary investment. Well, this is where Excel can help expand your creativity with just a little outside the box thinking. To create your very own cross stitch or crochet pattern, first you'll need squares. Open up a new Excel spreadsheet and select all cells by clicking the arrow in the top left corner of the sheet. Then just click and drag your cells to the appropriate size square. Now time to bring out your best pixel artist side by filling in squares using the fill tool to create a picture of whatever you want. You might even take inspiration from your favourite game characters, just like I do. Then there you have it, a quick and easy way to create your new stitch design. Now I get embroidery isn't everybody's cup of tea for entertainment, or maybe you just don't have the time and energy to get the creative juices flowing. Well, you've got a whole host of ideas at your fingertips, thanks to premium templates. Need to stop the kids using the crayons on the walls? Create them a colouring book in just minutes in Word. You don't even need to print it off if you've got a pen and ink enabled device. That's saving the trees ticked off my summer to-do list. Fancy trying becoming the next social media influencer as a side hustle too? Well, check out the premium templates for Clipchamp to create endless video and social media content. To find out even more about this, why not check out our Windows Summer Tips video? It'll be somewhere around here. To find all the premium templates your Microsoft 365 subscription has to offer, just head to create.microsoft.com and get inspired.
Chapter 2. Stay safe.
Now, while we all love to be entertained during summer, it's important that us and our loved ones stay safe while we do so. Now, when I was young, my idea of staying safe during summer was just ensuring I was home before the street lights came on. Why? Well, I didn't have any way to communicate with my parents while I was away from home, and that could cause a serious amount of worry if I wasn't home on time. Yes, we are talking about a time before mobile phones. I'm just going to pause now to wait for you to comment below about how I definitely don't look old enough to be from that time. Well, we're in a more modern time now, and Microsoft 365 has your family's safety covered with the Family Safety app. Microsoft Family Safety is a free app on Windows, Android and iOS, which has a whole host of cool features to keep your family safe online, such as content filters, screen limits and activity reports. However, location alerts are one of the premium features that come with the Microsoft 365 family subscription. Location alerts, to put it simply, send you a notification when someone in your family arrives or departs a location of your choosing. This is such a great way to put your mind at rest that family members have arrived safely to their friend's house or made it home while you're away. To begin using location alerts, your family member must first enable location sharing on their device and in the Family Safety app. The steps for this will vary based on whether you are using an Android or iOS device and your device's make and model, so be sure to follow the instructions on your actual device. Now you're ready to set up alerts. First, you need to save places. Go to your family map, tap Add a Place and enter the address and give it a name. Then choose the size of the alert area and tap Save. Next up, it's time to choose which family member will alert you. To do that, simply tap the family member in the app. Then select Arrives or Departs and choose the place that will alert. You can choose once or always for how often you'll receive an alert. Then you're done. Nice!
Chapter 3. Get connected.
Though we can have fun and fulfilling times on our own, life is better shared. And what better way to stay connected than with OneDrive? I'm sure we've all been there where we want to share our latest holiday snaps with our loved ones, and that's kind of easy to do in person. But what about if your loved ones are halfway across the country, or on a completely different sleep schedule to you? Well, share them via OneDrive. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I cannot be bothered to upload every single holiday photo to OneDrive individually. And to that I say, well, you don't have to. OneDrive allows you to automatically upload via your Android or iOS mobile phone. To get started, select the Me icon in the app, then select Settings and then Camera Upload. You can also choose if you want to include all your videos as well by selecting Include Videos. It's also important to note that if you're using a Samsung phone, you'll see Gallery Sync instead of Camera Upload. This works slightly different to Camera Upload, as when your photos and videos are synced, any photos you delete from OneDrive will also be deleted from your Samsung Gallery. This makes clearing up both folders a quick and simple thing to do. But if you want to switch to backing up your photos, just simply unlink your account. So, there you have it. 3 ways to create, protect and connect with Microsoft 365 this summer. If these top tips helped you bust the boredom, then please give this video a like. And why not drop us a comment below with your favourite current Microsoft 365 feature. That's going to be it from me though today. It's finally time for me to top up this tan. It needs it. Laters!